So I'm working with Dreamweaver in CS5, and I want to change just one or a small bit of text in terms of its size and shape. Here's how I did it. I completely ignored the properties window, which in what we call the WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get mode, which is where you're just looking at the design itself. What I did was I went into the code. You can look at the code in two ways and adjust the code in two ways. You can click on code, and that will just show you code. Personally, I prefer to click on split, which shows you code and shows you the text that you're working with, or the WYSIWYG, the output. Now I've shortened the screen here so that you can't quite see the entire output on this right side, but you can see enough. Now this is very difficult to read, I realize, but here's all the code. And what I did to create the word big as a much larger bit of text, I added a tag. And this is where it helps to just know basic tags. So the tag I added was less than sign, font, space, size equals, and then in quotations I gave it a number, 16 in this case, and then the greater than sign to end the tag. Then I used, after the text that I wanted to make that size, I used a tag that stopped the font from continuing that way throughout the rest of the text, and that was /font. So it's less than sign / font greater than sign. And that's probably the easiest way to work with Dreamweaver to sort of modify very specific portions of the text. So here's again what it looks like when it's finished. When I click split, I'm able to see both the code that I'm working with and the output that will be seen on an HTML file through a web browser.